absolutely beautiful nature spots. Please go and find your nature spots next to your place. I'm sure there's some beautiful places. Go and check them out, and you will be surprised by the beauty of love, of Mother Nature, and how she expresses her beauty through everything, and how this earth is just it's just beautiful. I love life. You just got to explore a little bit, right? You just got to go outside of your place, go outside of your comfort zone, go to different parks, go to different places in nature, and just visit. And you will be amazed and surprised by what you find. You just got to look for it. It's not just me that has a beautiful place. Like, this is my new meditation spot, probably, or my new nature spot, because it's literally down the road from my place. Like, I am so blessed. But you are blessed too, and there are some beautiful blessings. You just got to explore them. Anyways, have a beautiful day. Take care. Much love.